Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you like to upgrade your gaming experience in Minecraft Java Edition? With texture packs, you can change the overall look of your game with the addition of various elements such as objects, blocks, and more. In this video, I will show you how you can install texture packs in Minecraft Java. Let's go. To get started, you need to download a texture pack of your choice. There are several sites that offer free and downloadable packages, but for this video, let's try CurseForge. CurseForge is a platform where you can find various modding elements like texture packs for free. Open your browser and visit curseforge.com/minecraft/texture-packs. Browse through the list and explore their individual features, or use the search bar if you have a specific texture pack in mind. Remember, when downloading a package, always choose the version that matches the Minecraft Forge version you are using. To do this, go to the Files tab. Use the Filter by configuration and get the specific version you need. Go to the More Options menu and click Download File. After downloading, open File Explorer and enter %appdata%/.minecraft/resource packs. Locate the texture pack you just downloaded and drag it into this folder. Next, launch Minecraft Java Edition on your computer. Go to Options and open the Resource Packs menu. To use the downloaded texture pack, you must move it to the Selected panel. Just click on the arrow button and make sure it stays on the top of the default pack. Finally, click Done to save your changes. After that, start your game and notice that the features associated with the texture pack you installed are successfully applied. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.